Hey guys, so back in May, I was supposed to start nail school, but because of COVID-19, everything got cancelled. I had this wish list sitting on Amazon for a while, and I decided why not just buy everything I need and start practicing on my own. So I did that, and all of these are supposed to be here by this weekend. And when it gets here, I'm going to be doing a huge unboxing haul. So please follow to keep up with my journey. Hey guys, so some of my packages finally arrived today, so I'm going to be unboxing them. Some item hasn't arrived yet, mostly my acrylic stuff, but they should all be getting here by this weekend. First I have some cuticle oil, some nail forms, the IBD hard gel, some buffers and some filers, practice stand for my tips, some foils, some glitters, a bunch of crystals, some nail tips, this beautiful glitter gel nail set that comes with 6 different colors and a brush. Look at that. The glitter is so pretty. And finally, I got the Beetles Spring into Summer Gel Polish Kit. Like for part 2. We got more packages. Welcome to part 2 of my nail supply unboxing haul. Today I got all of my gel nail supplies in. First I got some more tips for my acrylic nails, some Gorilla Glue, nail cutter for my acrylics, and more filers, this very pretty manicure set, some brush for my gel nails, this gorgeous brush for my acrylics, and finally the Sun UV 48 watt UV lamp. So far this is all I've gotten. I still have a big package coming tomorrow, and as soon as it gets here I'll be doing another unboxing haul. Like for part 3. So as you guys know, I decided to start doing my own nails recently, and this is my very first attempt doing gel extension nails on myself. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing, so any tips or advice are greatly appreciated. So I prep my nail, cut my cuticles, and then put this form on, and then I use the hard gel to make the extension of my nails. And then I cured it, took the forms off, shaped it a little, and then I buffered the surface. I wiped it down with some alcohol and then applied some base coat. Cured that as well. I mixed my gel color with the IBD hard gel so I could get that jelly look for my base color. And then I realized I was running out of time. Part 2 is already up, so please go check it out. Welcome to part 2 of me attempting to do my own nails for the very first time. So I applied my gel mixture, cured it, and then I did the same thing with my pink polish and clear. I was gonna do an ombre look with a sponge, but then I realized I don't even have a sponge. So I tried to do it with a brush, and this is how it came out. And then I got the glitter and applied the glitter as well. I tried to go for the ombre look again, and I think I did okay. Then I got these holographic foils, added them. I did another layer of hard gel on top of that, cured it, buffed it, wiped it with alcohol, and then finally I applied some top coat. The final cure, some cuticle oil, and this is how it came out. What do you guys think? We got more packages! Welcome to part 3 of my nail supply haul. Now a lot of you guys have been asking about prices, and not everything I ordered are here yet, so once everything gets here I'm planning on making a video explaining how much each item costs. I did spend about $350 total, and I really wish I could just link my Amazon list, but for some reason TikTok won't let me put it in my bio. Anyways, first we got some cuticle remover, a cuticle pusher. I bought these droplets thinking it would be one big thing to put my cuticle remover in it, but it came like this and I don't know what to do with them. I got this gel polish kit from the brand Born Pretty, Mia Secret's nail prep and extra bond, and finally Mia Secret's liquid monomer and some acrylic powder. I still have a few more things on the way, so stay tuned for part 4. Alright guys, so this is my second day of me attempting to do my own nails for the very first time. I prepped my nail and then someone told me to do the base coat first, so I did that and then I tried to extend it, but as you can see I kind of messed up this time, so I had to file all of that off and I think it turned out pretty okay. My boyfriend picked out my colors today and I attempted to do an ombre, but it got a little messy. I added some silver foils and then some holographic foils. Did my top coat, but then realized it was the matte one, so I had to do a whole nother layer of top coat. And this is how it turned out. I decided to keep these droplets and added my cuticle oils in them. And this is the final look. I still need a lot of practice and any tips are appreciated. What color should I do next? Hey guys, so as you guys all know, my nail drill is finally here. So today is going to be my first time doing acrylic nails on myself. A lot of you guys told me to cut my natural nails shorter, so I did that. I prepped my nail, did my cuticles, and someone told me to use my sanding bands on a filer first so it's not as sharp and I don't get any cuts. So I did that as well. Then removed the shines off my natural nails. I got my nail tips and glued that onto my nail. And then I cut it and shaped it into the shape I wanted. That's that. And finally, I'm ready to do my nails. I'm running out of time, so I'm going to be making a part 2. It's already up, so please go check it out. Before I get started on anything, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 7,000 followers. I read every single comment and all of you guys have been so nice and supportive. With that being said, let's get back to my nails. Now, as you can see, I was struggling a lot with this acrylic stuff. I know it's my first time, but it was a lot more harder than I thought it would be. And a lot of you guys have been asking me to do my nails longer, and I promise I will. I just want to finish this setup and then I'll take them off and do them longer next time. I asked you guys again what color I should do, and a lot of you guys said yellow, so here it is. I also decided to add some crystals today. I used a tiny amount of Gorilla Glue for the big crystal and then my IBD hard gel for the smaller ones. And here's the final look. I just want to say thank you again for all the support. Please make sure to follow my Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so today officially marks 1 week since I started doing my own nails. And it's time to do our pinky. As usual, I went ahead and prepped my nails, then got my form on. I went ahead and extended my nails with the IBD hard gel. Then I filed it using my filer and my e-drill. And that's that. Today I just wanted to do a simple glitter ombre, so I got this beautiful silver color. And that's how it turned out. I topped it off with some top coat and finally some cuticle oil. This is how everything turned out. I personally think that I did pretty okay for it being my first set. What do you guys think? As much as I love this set, it's time to say goodbye. Now, a lot of you guys mentioned the cuticle oil method so that my nails can just pop right off, but I really wanted to try soaking them off myself. So of course, first I cut my nails, then removed the crystals using a nipper. Then using my e-file, I went ahead and removed all of the top coats of my nails. By the way, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 15,000 followers. You guys are amazing. Alright, then I went ahead and grabbed pure acetone and some cotton pads. I soaked the cotton pads with some acetone and wrapped it around my finger. Then I got some aluminum foil, wrapped that as well. I left it on for about 5 minutes, popped it off, scraped it and buffed it. And boom, nice and clean, ready for my next set.
I'm going to tell you what products are worth it, just with a simple yes or no. Yes, oh my fucking God, yes. No. Yes, but you already knew that. Fucking no. No, unless you really want your face to smell like fake strawberry. Yes, 1000%. If I'm deserted on an island, this is the one product I would take with me.
No.
Yes, the best.
Today is officially my 3rd time doing acrylic nails. As usual, I went ahead and prepped my nails, pushed my cuticles back, and I removed the shine off of my natural nails. Then I grabbed my tips and my KDS glue, glued those onto my nails, and then I grabbed my nail clipper and cut them into the desired length. By the way, thank you so much for 41,000 followers. You guys are amazing. I love you all. I also made sure to cut the side of my nails for the coffin shape. And then I grabbed my dehydrator and my Mia Secret liquid monomer and acrylic powder. This is me applying the acrylics onto my nails. It was actually looking pretty bumpy today, so I grabbed my drill and my filer and made my shape extra crispy. Then I grabbed my base coat, some colors, and my top coat. And this is the final look. I'm still a beginner, so any advice is greatly appreciated. Thank you. Hey guys, today I wanted to try and make my own acrylic for the first time using some old eyeshadows. I've been seeing a lot of videos where they mix clear acrylic with chalks. I didn't have any, so I just decided to use one of my old eyeshadow palette. So I went ahead and put the clear acrylic in a small container. Then I grabbed my eyeshadow palette and chose this goldish color. I also added this pearlish white color as well. Then I got my drill and mixed it all together. The consistency was very different from what I'm usually used to, so picking up that bead was a little hard, but it actually turned out very pretty. I'm definitely going to be using this for my next set. What do you guys think?